Hello everyone, welcome back. So the next topic is improve form field accessibility with the label element. So today we will talk about form field and how we can make it more accessible. Improving accessibility with semantic HTML markup applies to using both appropriate tag names as well as attributes. The next several challenges cover some important scenarios using attributes in the forms. The label tag wraps the text for a specific form control item, usually the name or label for a choice. This ties meaning to the item and makes the form more readable. The for attribute on the label tag explicitly associates that label with the form control and is used by screen readers. You learned about radio buttons and their labels in a lesson in the basic HTML section. In that lesson, we wrap the radio button input element inside a label elements along with label text in order to make the text clickable. Another way to achieve this is by using the for attribute as explained in this lesson. The value of for attribute must be the same as the value of id attribute of the form control. Here is an example. So we can see here that a label is created with the for value of name. That means it will be connected to the id name. Means label is for this input value with the id of name. So what is the task? Camper Cat expects a lot of interest in his thoughtful blog post and wants to include an email sign up form. Add a for attribute on the email label that matches the ID on its input field. So we have to add a for attribute. So here is the label for sign up for attribute with the name means with the id, and what is the id is email, so we will mention here email. So we can anything else, just checking the test cases. Your code should have a for attribute on the label tag that is not empty, for attribute which is not empty. Your for attribute values should match the id value of the email input. For value at is matching the id value of the input. So run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.